Let me show you how to write perspective text in Photoshop. Press Ctrl J to make copy. Go to Select menu and choose Select Subject. Add a layer mask. Hide this layer. Write your text. Right-click and choose Select Pixels. Press Ctrl or Command-C. Hide this layer. Press Ctrl or Command-D to deselect. Select this layer and add new layer. Now go to Filter menu and choose Vanishing Point. Follow this process. Press Ctrl or Command-V to paste text. Drag it text here. Press Ctrl or Command-T to resize. When you finish, press OK. Unhide this layer. Now go to Blending Options. Hold Alt or Option to divide to. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.